Welcome everyone. My name is Ola and today we'll be looking at building drawing for absolute beginner 101. Over here we have a sketch plan of a 3-bedroom bungalow, and we are expected to study the given specification and answer the question that follows. So quickly, let's take a look at this sketched floor plan of a 3-bedroom bungalow. So over to my left hand side, we have the bedroom, the shower, and another bedroom right at the bottom left hand side. And moving over to the right hand side, we have the kitchen, the store, the shower as well, and another bedroom. And on the central area, we have the dining and the living area as well as the veranda. Okay, now we'll be taking a look at the specification briefly. All right, so moving over to the specification, we have all dimensions which are given in millimeters. Also, we have the foundation to be 675 by 225 concrete strip foundation on 15 millimeter blinding at a depth of 1,000 below ground level. Now moving over to the specification of the floor, we have right here the hardcore as 250 millimeter. We have the overside concrete slab as 150 millimeter. We have the cement or sand floor script as 25 millimeter, and the living and the dining areas are 150 millimeter below the floor level of other areas of the building. Moving over to the walls, we have all walls to be 225 with 25 millimeter mortar rendering, and for the doors, all the doors are flush and they are in 150 by 50 timber frame. We have door D.D as 2100 by 1200, and we have dot D as 2100 by 900, where 2100 happens to be the height. Okay, now moving over to the windows specification, all windows are sliding glass in aluminium frame. Window 1 is 600 by 600, while window is just 1200 by 1200. You can see the symbol for window right there. Now moving over to the beam and lintel. The beam and lintel are 225 by 225 reinforced concrete, and the lintel over here is 2,400 above floor level. Now moving over to the specification of the roof. The roof is 30-degree double pitch with aluminium long span roofing sheets, while we have the rafters to be 150 by 50 at 1,000 centers to centers. We also have the struts and king posts to be 100 by 50. We have the purlins to be 100 by 50 as well at 1,000 centers to center. And we have the tie beam to be 150 by 50. And also we have the wall plates to be 100 by 75. We have the facial board to be 250 by 25, and the ceiling joists to be 50 by 50 at 1,000 centers to centers. Lastly, we have the eaves projection to be 600. Now we are to draw in a scale of 1:100 the floor plan and the front elevation. For question C, we are to draw in a scale of 1:50 section KK. You can see section KK right here. You can see section KK. It passes through a window, it passes through the shower, it cuts through a wall, it cuts through a door, cuts through another door right here, it cuts through a wall, it passes through the store, and then lastly, it comes out here while it passes through what? A window. All right, so quickly, we're going to be drawing the floor plan, the elevation, and the section. So for the floor plan, we were asked to draw in scale 1:100. Quickly, let me explain that to you. So over here, I have my scale rule, okay? And as you can see, this is in scale 1:100. Okay, so we're going to be taking dimensions for the floor plan with this side of the ruler. Okay, now let me show you how to interpret this. Okay, take for instance, you were given 4,000 here. Okay, so this simply means 40 millimeter right here. Okay, you are given 5,200 over here, so this simply means 52 millimeters, you can see over here. Okay, now for cases like the wall thickness, which happens to be 225, so this is it right here, this is 225 right here. Okay, and cases like the doors and the windows, which are 900, the door is 900, you can see this is your 900 millimeter right here, this is your 1,200 millimeter right here, this is your 2,100 millimeters right here, and so on. All right, so moving over, we're going to be diving into the floor plan. All right, so to begin with, start by drawing a horizontal line. Having done that, to draw a vertical line as well. Okay, so make it as long as possible. Now you take your scale rule and you measure 225 for the wall thickness. So this right here is 225 on the vertical side. Then you do same over here. Okay, so you go ahead to draw you do same here. Okay. All right, so go ahead to measure 4,000, just like we're given in the floor plan. 4,000. And go ahead to add your wall thickness, which is 225. Measure another 4,000. Go ahead to measure 225. Go ahead to measure 1,200. Another wall thickness. And lastly, go ahead to measure 4,000. And your wall thickness. Now, having done that, project lines. Project lines. All right, so go ahead, measure 4,000 into in right here. Add the wall thickness, which is 225. Measure 1,750. So this is 1,750 will be in between. And add your wall thickness. You can see I keep on adding wall thickness after taking the measurements of the distance. $1,567.50 right here. Wall thickness. And lastly, we have 3.5. You can see the sketch plan is displayed at the top right-hand corner of the screen for reference. Project these lines up. All right, so next we measure 1,200 this way. Another wall thickness, and do the same for here. Now that will serve as the length of the store and the shower. So this is 1,200 and the wall thickness. All right, so next we take away 900 here, take away 900 from here, and add wall thickness. So that we serve as the external wall for the dining. All right, I haven't done that. We're given the width of the dining as 2,500. So all right, so next we'll take the width of the dining as 2,500. So right from this point, take the width of the dining as 2.5. Go ahead to add your wall thickness. Okay, and when you're done, draw, project lines this way. All right, so next we take the dimension of the veranda that leads towards the entrance, that leads towards the living area. Although this wasn't really stated, so I guess we're just going to assume unspecified dimensions. So we could use, say, 1,500. I think 1,500 should be fair enough, or 2,000. So go ahead and use 2,000. Okay, as specified, as stated in the instruction. Okay, places where you are not giving dimensions, so just go ahead and you know, use or specify whatever you feel like there. So this is it. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and you know, create openings. Okay, go ahead to create openings. But before that, quickly let's you know, create the let's create the opening for the arc and the dining. So on the sketch plan, we're told to use 1,100. So just go ahead and pick 1,100. So this is it. So this is it. Okay, now let's go ahead and create openings. So this will be 900. This will be 900 as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and centralize this. So we have window 1, which is 1,002 by 1,002, which is going to be 2,004. Go ahead and centralize. So this will be 2,400. Okay, and also $2,400 right here. Okay, so this is window 1, which is 600 by 600. So we can go ahead and centralize that. This is 600. Go ahead to centralize this as well, 600. Okay, so what else are we missing? We have 2004 window right here. So this is 2,400. Okay. What else are we missing? So we have door DD as 1,200. So go ahead and create an opening. Door DD 1,200. We have door D right here as 900, leading into the WC at the veranda. Okay, so and that is it. And we have 2,400 windows. So this is it. Okay, so right here we also have we have 4 windows. So we're just going to centralize it. 2004 by 2, that will give us 4,008. So this will be 1,002. Okay, 1,002 as well. All right, so we have windows for the dining. We've created the opening for the beam. We have the door for the bedrooms, the doors for the toilet, the showers as well. What else haven't we gotten? What else? Okay, we need a door right here. 900. And we need another door right here, 900 as well. Okay, so we need a window right here, 1,002. So you could just go ahead and centralize that. You don't have to go scientific, just use your eye gauge. Okay, so what else? All right, so let's go ahead and outline. Let's go ahead and outline. Okay, we kind of missed a window here. So we have 2 windows here. $2,400. All right, so let's go. Okay, so So just go ahead and outline. That's basically what we're doing. That's basically what we'll be doing next. Just go ahead and outline. Outline the spaces, the openings for the walls. We kind of missed a space here for the door, so quickly, this will be 900. So sorry, there are lots of walls and doors. There are lots of doors and windows here, so just bear with me. All right, so next we're just gonna outline everything. Haven't made space, haven't made openings for the wall. go ahead to outline. Okay, so All right, so there's a beam here. Haven't finished outlining, go ahead and introduce the beam. All right, next we'll go over to installation of doors and the windows. So having left the spaces for the doors and windows, we go over to just install them. And to install windows, it's two simple lines, two straight lines. Okay, so go ahead and that is that about that. So there goes your window. There goes your window, and so you go. So there goes your window. All right. Now next, pick a circle guard. Okay, so this is what a circle guard is. It comes in different sizes. So pick a circle guard. That's what we'll be using to draw our doors. Okay, so this is it. So the doors open towards the walls. Okay, the doors opens towards the direction of the walls this way. Fine. All right, so we missed one door here. So this is it. Lastly, before we so these are the door. This will be your door, the thickness of the door. So you can just do something. This will be the thickness of the door. All right, so at this junction, all that is left is to label the rooms. So we have over here the bedroom, we have the dining, we have the kitchen, we have the store, we have the shower, we have the bedroom as well, we have the WC, we have the bedroom, we have the veranda here, we have the veranda, and we have the living area. Of course, we have the shower. We have the shower as well. So, okay. So, all we're gonna do next is indicates the what is it called, the section line. So go ahead and draw the section line as this. Remember, it is supposed to be in cutting plane. So this is our section line, and we're going to be using this to draw section KK. Okay, so just going to go ahead and indicate. Okay, so the direction. So this is KK. All right, so there we go. We have ourselves our floor plan. So in the next session, we're going to be looking at the elevations. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss the next one. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think.